Hello traders, in this video I am going to be taking a look at the Gold Digger AI MT5, the Gold Digger AI EA for MT5, okay, by Jiaoyu Huang, and this is an automated gold trading expert advisor. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see the EA is currently priced at 249 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available as well. The current version shown here is version 3.2, updated in April 2024. According to the developer, this EA is focused on long-term stable gold trading and combines traditional technical indicators together with adaptive AI functionality. The description also highlights that the EA is designed around one order at a time, which is something traders often pay attention to because it can help simplify exposure management during volatile market conditions. Okay, so as I scroll through the feature section here, a few things stand out immediately. The EA uses a fixed stop loss and take profit system, and there's also a built-in news filter mentioned. Okay, so the developer notes that the EA includes slippage optimization as well, which can be important when trading gold because spreads and execution quality can vary quite a bit depending on the broker and market conditions. Right. So the marketplace page also mentions that the EA is intended for use on the M15 charts, specifically on gold related symbols like XAU USD, XAU EUR, XAU CHF, XAU JPY, and gold. All right. So if you are testing this yourself, those are clearly the primary instruments the developer recommends using. Looking at the setup requirements, the developer recommends ECN hedging accounts with low spreads and zero stop levels, and brokers like IC Markets, Pepperstone, Tickmill, you know, and DarwinX are listed here as recommended environments. VPS usage is also recommended, especially for maintaining stable execution conditions. Now, moving down into the parameter section, we can see several adjustable risk management settings. There's an option for fixed lot sizing or percentage based money management, along with customizable stop loss and take profit values. There is also an automatic magic number generation setting, which can help if you are running multiple EAs on the same account. All right. So now, as we transition into the historical backtesting section, the overall testing approach appears focused on evaluating long-term behavior on gold pairs using the recommended M15 time frame. All right. So the marketplace page also notes that the news filter is unavailable during testing, which is important context, when reviewing the historical results, because live conditions may behave differently when news filtering is active. Okay. So let's just head over to the strategy tester right now. I have already, run the test. This is the Gold Digger AI, the recommended symbol XAU USD, recommended time frame M15. So we ran this test from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And then as for the delays, I will recommend that you use the last ping to the server. All right. And you can just work with the every tick modeling. Okay. So now let's just quickly go over to just look at the chart. All right, let's look at the trade history. We can see that this EA is one to um capture short-term price activity. We can see here the trade was executed here and closed within the same 15-minute candle. All right, but in this case, the buy trade was executed here and closed at this point. So there were several hours in between, the opening time and the closing time, right? So the EA, seems to capture both very short-term movements and short-term movements across several hours. All right, and then you also notice that it's not stacking a lot of trades at the same time, right? You will see that there is substantial there's substantial spacing between the trades. This is just an example, right? And we can also see that this is another example. There is a significant space between the trades. All right, so this is not the type of EA that is just stacking trades without considerations of market activity, right? We can see also here short-term price activity, and we can see this one now held again for several hours, and so on and so forth. Okay, so looking through the historical chart activity and the completed testing performance, the EA seems to maintain a structured one trade at a time approach, which lines up with the description provided earlier on the page, right? You can also observe how positions were managed around the fixed stop loss and take profit structure during different market phases. So now looking at the results, themselves, we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the total net profit was 375.67. So that is, around 12.5% or thereabout, right? And then we can also see that, or is it around 13% or so, or 12.5? Anyways, we can see that the total trades taken were 66, and there are 29 short trades with about 72.41% win rate, and 37 long trades with about 81.08% win rate. So this tells me that the win rate is quite good. All right, the win rate is quite good, but for the total net profit taken to be just a little above 10%, it shows that there is probably an issue with the risk to reward ratio. But let's just quickly confirm that. Okay, so the largest profit taken was $50. The largest loss was $90, right? I was I guessed right, because for you to have a high win rate like this and still be left with just a little above 10% over about 4.5 months, that shows that the risk to reward ratio is probably the issue, right? So we can see that the average profit was $12.33 and the average loss was $16.87. So the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite substantial, right? It's quite substantial. So this is a system that has a bad risk to reward ratio but a good win rate. Okay, so at the end of the day, when you combine both of them, it still resulted in a noteworthy net profit, although perhaps the profit might have been better had it been the risk to reward ratio was great. But of course, these are just historical backtest results, right? So performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, lot sizing, optimization settings, and overall gold market volatility, right? So that's why I'd still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a broader understanding of how the EA behaves under different market conditions and broker environments. Overall, the Gold Digger AI EA for MT5 appears to be positioned as a structured gold focused automated system for MT5 traders who prefer a more controlled single order trading style. The marketplace page provides a fairly detailed setup overview, recommended environments, and adjustable settings, which makes it easier to understand how the EA is intended to be used before testing it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.